thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video, I will be exploring EYA. They call them the neighborhoods of EYA, life within walking distance. So I'm going to talk about where they're building and talk about how to navigate if you're a homeowner with your warranty coverage and how to handle that. So they're in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. So in Virginia, they're in Falls Church and Alexandria. Maryland, they're in North Bethesda, Rockville, Potomac, Bethesda, and then in Washington, DC. So now they're homeowner resources, that's what they call them. So the warranty services, so your questions, you can submit your requests by going to that link. You can email them or you can call them. And then they have a homeowner hub. So let's see, I'm just going to go a random hub. So what you would do is you would put in your password. This will be given to you once you actually have purchased the home. So that's how you would do that. And your homeowner's manual, once you log in, of course you would have your password, and that's what that goes to. So I'm going to navigate to the emergency contacts list. And so these are things that you actually need to include. So it has information on where the home is actually emergency contact list based on your neighborhood. So I'm just going to click on a random location. So these are the phone numbers that you'll actually need to contact. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this was helpful to you to navigate your new home. Congratulations. If you're looking to buy an EYA home, give me a call at 240-284-4114. Or if you're looking to sell your home, give me a call. Make it a great day, and thank you for watching.